Okay, so the second part's the explanation. Write this on a separate sheet of paper. You're going to take a picture of it and then upload it to the hub. So I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to do step 1 first. Indicate the following 3 things about your wave. Basically, if it's mechanical or EM wave, so if it has a medium or not, the type of wave, quote, category, so basically how it got started. If it was perpendicular, it's transverse. If the propagation was parallel, it's compression, also called longitudinal. And then C, how was it propagated? How was it started? Okay, so you do not have to do all this in PowerPoint and show all these steps. I'm just putting like the video in here and all in one place to make it easier to show you how to kind of analyze this. So I copied this, the things that we need to know. So the type of wave, mechanical or electromagnetic, wave category, that kind of thing. So first of all, since this wave is kind of traveling through people, and by the way, I just popped the video here in slow motion. Hopefully that'll help. Okay, so you can see that in the video, it's moving through people. So I think people are a medium. They're definitely not a vacuum. So for 1A, I'm going to put mechanical wave. Okay, the next part wants to know if it's transverse or compression. This one might be kind of a little bit hard to see, but we're looking at this wave from the front. Imagine if you could just float above it. You know, you're just like floating around like right up here. What would this look like? So put this in here in slow motion. So see, it kind of goes that way. So to me, it would look like if you're like hovering above it, it might look something like this, like one person goes here, another person, they start leaning. So something like this. So that has that sine curve looking thing. So 1B would be transverse. And plus, if you look, the energy or the movement is going backwards towards the statue. And the dancers are actually moving this way. So if you looked at that from above, it would be like dancers are moving this way, wave is traveling that way, that's perpendicular. So again, transverse for my example. Okay, and then how was the wave propagated? How was the wave started? Well, let's take a look. If you look, this lady in front started it. So it was started by the first dancer started it, and I'm going to do the symbol for perpendicular. Perpendicular to direction. Wave traveled. Okay, so that's the first part.